Hello students, how are you? I wish all of you will be healthy and safe. So students, now you are much familiar with Python programming. You know how to use Python function also. So in this video, I will discuss 5 problems and you will learn more about Python programming. So these are my problems. Number 1, find the area of triangle using Heron's formula. You know Heron's formula. Heron's formula is used to find out the area of the triangle whenever 3 sides are given. Okay. Find the roots of quadratic equation. If a equation is the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then you find the root. Okay. You know how to find out what is the formula to find out the root of the equation. You have studied in 10th class. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. Now find the sum of all digits of a 3-digit number. Means suppose you have a number like 2, 3, 4. The sum of all 3-digit numbers is 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Okay. Now find the reverse of 3-digit number. Suppose you have a number like 1, 3, 7 and its reverse will be obviously 7, 3, 1. 7, 3, 1. Okay. And find the value of sine cube a plus cos cube a. You know. So here a is the angle input by the user. Okay. So all these are my 5 problems. So I think you should try yourself. Okay. If you stuck anywhere, then use my video. Okay. So let's start with first problem. To find the area of triangle using Heron's formula. Okay. Now I am copying this formula and go to file and new window. Okay. This is my first problem. So how to find the area of triangle using Heron's formula? The Heron's formula is, first of all, you find out S equal, what is S? S equals to A plus B plus C. This is the semi-perimeter, and for this you need A, B and C. Okay, we will input later. Okay, now how to find the area? The area equals to, what is the area? Square root of, first of all you have to find out the square root. What? Square root of S multiplied S minus A, okay, into S minus B, you know, into S minus C. Okay, and you have to find out the square root of this equation. So how to find out the square root? You know very well the mathematical function to find out the square root is SQRT. Then what you have to do? You have to use math dot SQRT for which value? For this value. Okay. So in this way you will find out the area of the triangle. But what you have to do? I need A, B, C, and one thing I need more, that is math module. Okay. So first of all, import math module. Import math. Okay. Using this module, you will be able to use this function, SQRT function. Okay. Now take 3 values individually. For example, A equals to, write down int to convert the value into integer, or you can take it as a float. Okay. Now float, write down the message, write down the input function, input, and write down the message here. Enter first side. Okay, this is the side of first side of the triangle. Okay. Now, this, okay. Here you will get the value of A. Okay, now I am copying it. Okay, and paste it. Okay, write down here. This is the second side, and this is the third side. Enter the second side and enter the third side. Okay, here you can write any message which you want to print. Okay, you are free to write anything here. Okay, so now this is the import, this is the math module. Okay, using SQRT function you have to import math module. Okay, to find out the area you need 3 sides A, B and C. So here I am taking the side A, B and C from the user, and using this float keyword I am converting this string value. Okay, if you don't use float here, so then you will get string value. So this multiplication is not possible with string values, so I am converting all these values into decimal, into float. Okay, so using this one, using this, I am finding the semi parameter, that is s. Okay, now your program is ready to run. Okay, one thing you have to do more, you have to print the result. Okay, print, write down area of triangle equals to what? Area. Where is the result is stored? The result is stored in area. Okay, so your program is ready to run now. First of all, save it and write down area of triangle. Okay, and what you have to do, you have to include extension, that is .py. Okay, now save it and run it. First of all, it will ask and enter the first side. For example, I am my first side is 3, second side is 4, and third side is 5. And what will be the result? That is 77.768. Okay, you can find out easily. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the way to find out the area of triangle using Heron's formula. So student, this is our second problem, to find the roots of quadratic equation. For quadratic equation, there are 3 coefficients, a, b and c. Okay, so this is the formula to find out the quadratic equation. In 10th class you have learned about it. X equal to minus p plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But you are finding out the two roots separately. So first you have to use plus, and the second root you have to use minus here. Okay, so let's move to our Python cell. Write down your problem here. Okay, for this problem, first you need first you need a, b and c. Okay, so take 3 values from the user, a, b and c, and you have to find out the square root also. You are seeing that this is the square root sign. So for this you will use a sqrt of function. Okay, to use sqrt function, you have to import math module, import math. Okay, and write down the message. Okay, a first equals to float, if the value may be in float import, as you have done in the previous program. Enter the value of a equals to now you have to take the second value, that will be b. Okay, b and c. This is your first root. X equals to what you have to do, one thing more. First find out the root b square minus 4ac in a temporary variable. Okay, now the equation becomes very lengthy. Okay, because minus b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is common in both the solution. So first of all, find out b square minus 4ac and store it in a temporary variable. Okay, now I am taking a temporary variable. Temp equals to b square. How to find out the b square? B into b square minus 4 into a into c. Okay, b square minus 4ac, and you have to find out the square root of b square minus 4ac. For to find out the square root, use math dot sqrt. Okay, so in this way you will get the value of temp. That will be root b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now next you have to find out the value of x. Means the first root, to find out x equals to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac. The root b square minus 4ac is stored in temp. So write down temp here. Temp, and what you have to do, one thing more, you have to write down divided by 2 into a. Okay, so this is the equation. See, minus b plus root b square minus 4ac, it is stored in the temp, upon divided by 2a, 2 into a. Okay. Now similarly you will find out the value of second root, that is in y. Okay. You have to write down y here, and you have to write down minus here. Okay, minus here, and print the result. Here I want to print first root equals to in x. Okay, now what you and print second root equals to in y. Okay, so now your program is ready to run. Okay, now save it. The name is quadratic equation dot py. Okay, save it. And the one thing you have to remember, that the value of 4ac should not be more than b square, otherwise it will return a negative number, and square root function cannot find out the square root of negative number. Okay, so let's run it. Enter the value of a, like 2, enter the value of b, that is 5, enter the value of c, that is 2. Okay, so all these are the roots. Okay, first root is minus 0.5 and second root is minus 2. Okay, so this is the way to find out the root of the equation. Okay, root of the quadratic equation. Okay, so let's move to the next problem. Next problem is to find the sum of all digits of a 3-digit number. Okay, so as we have given the example before, for example 2, 3, 4, I have the number, the sum of all digits is equals to 9. Okay, so what you have to do in this program, okay, first of all copy this program, see, do control V and okay. Suppose you have a number like 2, 3, 4. If you use the modulus operator with 10, guess what will be the result? Obviously result will be the remainder. If you divide 2, 3, 4 by 10, the remainder will be 4. Okay, now 2, 3, 4 is divided by 10, like divided by 10, then what will be the remainder? What will be the result? Obviously result will be 2, 3. Okay, I will convert them into integer. Okay, I do not want the result into decimal. Okay, for this you will use the floor division. Okay, floor division returns the integer part only. Okay, so result will be 23. Okay, now you have to use modulus operator again for this value, that is 23. Okay, now 23 using modulus operator divide modulus by 10, what will be the result? The result obviously the remainder 3. Okay, now again you have to, what you do, 23 the floor division by 10, what will be the result? The result will be obviously that is 2. So in this way you have, and again 2 modulus 10, what will be the result? Guess what will be the result? Okay, in the previous video I told you that if your dividend is smaller than divisor, the modulus, the remainder is lesser number, that is 2. Okay, so you can see that using this trick I have separated all 3 digits. This is the 4, okay, this is the 4, and this is the 3, and this is the 2, and find out the sum of all these 3 digits. Okay, let's move to the program. Okay, first of all, take the number. So your number equals to, convert it into integer, and write down the input function, input, okay, enter the 3 digits number. Okay, here you have to bound the user have to input the number in 3 digits only. Okay, enter. Okay, now you have to separate all these 3 digits. So these 3 digits are stored in separately A, B and C. Now A equals to number modulus 10. Okay, so here we will get the first digit. Now what you have to do, A equals to number, sorry, B, sorry. Okay, now you have to use not A, number equals to number floor divided by 10. Okay, let's check it. For example, your number, okay, your number is, number equals to 456. Okay, now what will I get? A equals to number modulus 10. Okay, A equals to number is 456. Okay, 456 and modulus 10. What will be the result? Guess, result obviously 6. Okay, now A will be 6. Now number equal to number floor divided by 10. Okay, so what will be the number? Number equals to 456 floor divided by 10. What will be the result? The result obviously 45. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to separate the second digit, that is B. So B equals to number. What is number? Number is 45 now. Now 40 for number modulus 10. Okay, number is 45. 45, sorry, number equals to 45 modulus 10. What will I get? I will get 45 modulus 10 will be 5. Okay, now again number will be number floor divided by 10. So what will I get? I will get, now your number is 45, write down 45 here. Okay, and what will be the remainder? Remainder will be obviously 5. Okay, now C, you have to find out the C. C equals to number. What is your number? Your number is now 5. C equals to number modulus 10, means C equals to number modulus 10, means C equals to, you have to write down B equals to this. Okay, now C equals to number modulus 10. So what is the number? So number 10, and the modulus of 10 will be, okay, you will get the lesser number, that will be 5. Okay, now what is A? A is 6. Now what is B? B is 5. And what is C? C is what is happening here? 4, 5, 6. So sorry, number will be 4 here, not 5. Okay, because 45 floor divided by 10, you will get 4. Okay, now here you have 4. Okay, so let's revise it again. For example, your number is 456. Now if you find the modulus by 10 of a number is 456, so 456 modulus 10 will be 6. Now 6 is the value of a is 6 now. Now again you are updating the number. The number is number float divided by 10. The 456 float divided by 10, it will return 45. Okay, not 45.6 because you are using float divide. Okay, now the b will be the number modulus 10. So what is the number now? Now the value of number is 45. So 45 modulus 10 will be 5. Okay. Now again you have to update the value of number. The number equal to 4 divided by 10. So 45. What is the value of number now? The number is 45. 45 float divided by 10, it returns 4. Now you have the value of number is 4. Now c equals to number modulus 10. I have told you that if the number is this dividend is lesser than divisor, so it returns lesser number. Okay, the 4 modulus 10 will return 4. Now find out the sum of all digits. So sum equals to a plus b plus c, and in the result print sum of all digits equals to sum. Okay, now save your program. Sum digits dot py. Okay, now run this program. Okay, now enter 3-digit number. So in this case you have to write down the 3-digit number. 678. Okay, 678. The result is 67 13 plus 8 21. So this is the way to find out the sum of 3 digits number. Okay, now I am binding you using 3-digit number, but later on whenever we move in the programming, you can find out the sum of any digit number. Okay, and any digits of number. Okay, so let's move to the another problem. It is similar to this problem. So next problem is find the reverse of 3 digits number. Okay, so here you have to find out the sum of all digits, and here you have to find out the reverse of 3 digits number. So both problem are much similar. In this problem you have to separate all 3 digits. So in this problem you have to separate all 3 digits also. Okay, but you have to do little more change. What you have to do, two more. Okay, first of all copy this problem. All these things are similar, but you have to change here. Okay, so 6 is the 1st digit, and 5 is the 10th digit, and 4 is the 100th digit. So what you have to do, two more. You have to think C multiplied by 100, it will be 400. Okay, so you have to write down A here, A, because you are reversing the number. So now what will be the reverse number? The reverse number will be 6 6 5 4. It means 456 will be converted to 645. It means the 6 and 4 will replace the position. Okay, so now A into 100, what is the value of A? Equal to 6. So 6 into 100 will return 600. Now plus B, 10 into B. So 10 into, what is the value of B? 5. So 5 into 10 will return 50. Now 650. Now you have to plus C. Now what will be the result? A into 100. What? A equal to 6. 6 into 100, 600. B, what is the value of B? B is 5. So 5 into 10, 50. So 650, and value of 4 is value of C is 4. So 654. So in this way you will get the reverse of the given 3 digits number. Okay, so write down reverse number. Reverse number equal to this, and here write down reverse. Reversed number. Okay. And save this program and run it. Okay. So enter 3-digit number 4, for example 456. Now you will get sorry you will get 654. Okay, so in this way you can find the reverse of given 3-digit number. Okay, let's move to the next problem, that is find the value of sine cube A plus cos cube A. Here A is the angle, and you should remember the angle must be in radian. If you are entering the value in degree, so first of all you have to change it into radians, then after use that value with the sine or cos function. Okay, let's do this now. First of all, copy this problem. Copy this problem. Okay. Take the angle from the user. Here it's not a sine 3, it's a sine cube A, okay, because this editor not supports the values in power, so it is displaying sine 3A. Okay, so no need to worry. First of all, take the angle GL. Take the angle equals to, you will have to take the value in either in float or either in integer. So write down float. Okay, so write down the message, enter angle, enter angle. Okay, angle, and you have to write down input function also, import. So first of all, you have to change this value into radians. To change it into radians, you have to use the radiance function. To use the radiance function, you have to import math module. Write down import math. Okay, change it into radians. Let's take R. RAD equals to math dot radians. Math dot radians. Here you have to pass the parameter, that is angle. G. Okay, so now result equals to sine cube A. Okay, what you have to do, sine cube A. Here you have to use two functions. First of all, you have to use sine A. Okay, so how do you find the value of sine A? Math dot sine. Here you have to write down the angle in rad. Okay, this is the using this way you are finding the value of sine A, and what you have to do, you have to use power function. Okay, what you have to do, POW. Before it, you have to use the math function, math dot power function, and put the syntax of power function is x comma y. X is the base and y is the power. So this is our base and this is our exponent. Okay, so using this method you will find out the value of sine cube A. Okay, now again you have to copy this, C and control V, and here use the cos. Okay, now print the result. Print result equals to result. Save it and run it. Okay, so what is the value of sine 90? I think sine 90 value is 1 and result will be 1. Why? Because the value of sine 90 is 1 and the cube of 1 will be 1 and cos 90 is 0. The cube of 0 is 0, so 1 plus 0 will return 1. Okay, so you can input any angle according to yourself. Okay, so all these problems are discussed here. So I hope all of you will do practice more and you will create more programs. Okay, so students, be healthy, be safe, have a nice day.